Okay, we're back here upstairs in the shop. So I got a few things new that came in. I got a big load of oil came in. And I got some closeout brake rotors and some grips that I picked up from a hard drive. So if you want to get some deals on some parts, I got that. Plus I got all my shirts still. So of course none of this is listed though. Top secret. Don't tell anybody. So these are all PM rotors that were custom made for hard drive. So they have their own special pattern, but they're all performance machine brake rotors. So there's the PM part numbers for them when they made them. But they got three different designs. You got the this one here, I think they call this flow design. And you got this one down here, which is the narrow spaced one here with that through it. And then you got the other one has the wider space with more of a teardrop cut. And you got them in chrome and black. And you got them in 11.8s and 11.5s. So the difference is the 11.5s are for the 07 on back bikes, all of them, and the 08s and up. The 11.8s are on the 08 and up bikes on the touring. And some of the other bikes have them too, but I'm not sure later on. They mix and matched, but basically you know what diameter you got, they'll fit. So I got some fronts and backs, but not too many real sets unless you mix and match stuff. Like I said, you can take a back one which has a 3/8 bolt in it. Right here you got a 3/8 hole right here. You can put that with a 5/16 hole here just by rotating a disc counter direction of whatever the rotation is and tighten the bolt down. And it works just fine. Done it for a lot of years. You can also take the front ones and drill them out and put 3/8 in there and put them on the back. So anyway, we don't have too many fronts, got a lot of rears. So those are all chromes and these are 11/8s. So I got a couple fronts in different patterns, and even these can be mixed and matched. The difference between this one and that one is not that big of a change. Whatever. Anyway, so these are, instead of being almost 300 bucks a pop, these are 150 a pop, and if you buy three, I'll knock down a little more. It's up to you. They also close out grips, so I've got grips, which are these. I forget which name they call this one, but this is for the 82 to 95 handlebar. So instead of these being 100 bucks, make them 80 bucks. So that's the only one I got. All the other ones someone else got before I did. I wanted to get some in to see what they look like, and someone else bought all of them. They had 100 of them or something to get, so I wasn't too overjoyed about buying that many. I got 47 of these, I think, so I got a lot of them. So these are the black contrast cut. This is the chrome non-contrast cut. Like I said, you can make sets out of these things by installing them backwards. You got left hand rear, you got two of, and you got right hand rear, you got front. So you put this on the front, left, put these two on the right, and you got a full set. If you do it like they say to, you have nothing, because you're all rears. So doesn't matter if this goes backwards or forward, I don't care. So if you do a lot of mix and matching like that, you can make things work. This one over here, we got a full set. There's two full sets of this one, correct way. Because you got right rear, right front, and you take the left rear here and you put that on the left front, and then you got a matching set for that. Light. Let there be light. So you have to put this one on the front. Other than that, it matches. And you got chrome ones that match up. On the black ones, there's only two rears and a whole bunch of left rears. So if you make this into a left, make these to rights, you got two full sets, and they just turn backwards. Whoopee. So, oh well, a few things. So anyway, like I said, if you want some stuff, let me know. Email me. I don't do this stuff. Too lazy. And the other thing we got is our tribodyn oil. So I got a new brew in. He has modified his formulation to knock off some of the heavy blue dye and the clumping issues that where they would separate. They didn't clump, they separated. So the newer oil is the new design. So for sure, if it has an EX2 in the name, it is the new design. If it doesn't have the EX2 in it, then you have to see what date it is and go from there. So I'm not supposed to tell anybody. Oops. But for sure, if you see the site on the side, it's new stuff. So the other thing I got going on is I have straight weight tribodyn oil that nobody else has. So we got it in 70 weight and we got it in 60 weight. And we got it in quarts and we got it in gallons. There you go. So if you got an old bike, basically shovel it on back. I have nice straight weight oils to use. So like I said, that's this is the 70 weight containers. This one's got 60s in there. So I don't have a lot of it, but I have a little bit. Got 11 gallons of that, and I got 3 gallons of that. Otherwise known as one case. The 60, I think I got 2 cases of quarts, but I'm not sure. So if you want some thick oil for your bike, I have it. And then for the regular Harleys, you run the 2050 in there, which is this one. And this is the new formulation. And then if you got the other one down here, it's the old formulation. This one you got to mix it up before it goes in. That one you just dump it in and it goes in. So anyway, when this stuff runs out, it'll all be the new one. It's whatever one you want. The biggest thing is I got the straight weight oil in, so that's the big thing. That is the big one I like. And then I got the heavy duty diesel oils too, which is the 1540s. Which those would probably work in the M8s, I bet. I don't know what they recommend in M8s, but they probably want some stupid ass 1030 or some stupid number like that, which is worthless. And then I also have the new Tri-X here and the gear oil, 7090. So anyway, it's just new stuff that came in. So even though I'm still setting up shop, I don't pass up deals when I can get them. Pass them on to the customer. User friendly. Alright, well there you go. So how would these look down there stairs on that chopper bike? This was the best looking grip, that's why I bought them, but I bought them for old bikes. Oh well, there you go. That's it for today. Time to go home. It's getting late. Oh, it's only 2:30. We're doing good. All right, that's it.